Welcome to Motor Ride Worldwide YouTube channel, your #1 source for the latest in adventure bikes, off-road machines, and all things motorcycling. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700, an adventure bike built to conquer any terrain. With upgraded features, improved comfort, and enhanced performance, the latest Tenere 700 is ready for any journey. Let's check out what's new. Engine and performance. At the core of the 2025 Tenere 700 is the legendary 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin CP2 engine, now refined for smoother power delivery and increased fuel efficiency. The torque-rich engine remains an absolute workhorse, delivering strong low-end grunt for technical off-road sections while maintaining excellent highway performance. Expect improved throttle response and a more refined exhaust note. Chassis and suspension. Yamaha has tweaked the steel double cradle frame for even better handling and durability. The KYB 43mm inverted forks now offer increased adjustability, ensuring a smoother ride on both rocky trails and long highway stretches. The updated rear shock system provides better damping for ultimate control, whether you're hitting jumps or cruising over rough terrain. Technology and features. For 2025, Yamaha introduces a new TFT display with smartphone connectivity, offering turn-by-turn navigation, call alerts, and ride stats. The Tenere also features updated ride modes, optimizing performance for different riding conditions, including off-road, touring, and sport. A quick-shifter option makes gear transitions smoother than ever, perfect for aggressive riding. Comfort and ergonomics. Long-haul adventures just got easier with an updated seat design for increased comfort on extended rides. The windscreen has been slightly revised for better wind protection, reducing rider fatigue on highways. Handguards, skid plates, and an optional heated grip package ensure that the Tenere is ready for any climate. Braking and tires. Stopping power is handled by dual 282mm front disc brakes and a 245mm rear disc, now with an improved ABS system that can be disabled for off-road use. The Pirelli Scorpion Rally STR tires provide excellent grip on both asphalt and dirt, making this bike a true all-terrain warrior. Final thoughts. The 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700 continues its legacy as a versatile, go-anywhere adventure bike. With refined performance, new tech, and improved comfort, it's an unbeatable choice for riders looking to explore the unknown. What do you think of the latest Tenere 700? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more adventure bike content from Motor Ride Worldwide.